Have you ever picked up your phone for just a second, and suddenly it's 30 minutes later? You open one notification, then another, then a video, then another video, and before you know it, the thing you actually needed to do is still sitting there, waiting. It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you lack discipline. Your brain runs on a chemical called dopamine. Every time you scroll or check notifications, your brain gets a tiny reward. Quick entertainment starts to feel more rewarding than real progress. And suddenly, focusing on real work feels boring. Your brain slowly becomes overstimulated. You wake up, and the first thing you do is check your phone. You sit down to work and check messages, and your brain whispers, "Maybe check YouTube for a minute." This constant switching slowly rewires your attention span. So when you try to focus, your mind wants to escape. You suddenly feel the urge to check your phone again. The more you feed your brain cheap dopamine, the harder real life becomes. But your brain isn't broken. It's just overstimulated. The first step is simple. Remove easy distractions. Create an environment where distraction isn't instantly available. At first, it will feel uncomfortable, but that discomfort means your brain is resetting. Start small. Focus on one task for just 15 minutes. No phone, no switching tasks. When the timer ends, take a short break, then repeat. Replace cheap dopamine with meaningful progress. Exercise, learn, build something. Real progress gives a stronger reward. Boredom is actually healthy for your brain. When you're bored, your mind starts thinking. Once you regain control of your attention, you regain control of your life. A focused mind is incredibly powerful. So tonight, start with one small step.